In this video, we'll go over 3 methods how to install an oar stop on your Cataract oar shaft. Need your oar stop in your hand to warm it up and help it roll more easily over the shaft. Use your palm to apply pressure to the outside of the stop and flip it down, turning it inside out. Continue to apply pressure downward, flipping and rolling the stop down the shaft until it reaches the desired location. For this method, you'll need 4 cam straps, a ladder, and an oar stop. Secure the rubber oar stop to the ladder using the cam straps. Stretch the oar stop by tightening the cam straps one at a time. Once the oar stop is wide enough, simply push the oar shaft through the stop until you reach the desired location. Release the straps and slip them out by pulling them through the stop. The adjustable plastic oar stop makes installation and removal a breeze. The adjustable plastic oar stop installs by backing out a few screws, slipping the oar stop over the oar, and tightening the screws once you've placed the stop where you want it to sit. You'll need to take a tool with you if you need to make adjustments on the river. Now you're ready to put your oars to work and get out on the water. To purchase stops and other parts, go to www.cataractoars.com and look under accessories.